Gipresenta atol sa Regional Development Council 11 meeting ang mga kalampusan ug mga plano alang sa Davao Region nga gihimo sa Don Paco, Rocamora Golf Clubhouse, Mate Aero Tourism Park sa Mati City, Davao Oriental nitong Biyernes, Marso 24 nga gitambungan sa mga gobernador, mayor ug nagkadayang opisyal sa gobyerno sa Region 11. Pipila sa mga gisgutan ang lokal ug regional trends, tourism, socio-economic development ug timeline sa gikahinaman nga Samal Island-Davao City Connector Project. Ingon man ang peace and order ug ang nakab-ot nga insurgency-free sa Rehiyon 11.
The rotational hosting by the provincial local government units of our full council meetings this year is a manifestation of that commitment. And I wish to thank my fellow governors, some are still coming, for heeding the call. Your visit to our province for this full council meeting very well supports our goal of priming Davao Oriental as a premier tourist destination and as an ideal venue for meetings, incentives, conferences, and exhibitions or MICE, particularly among nature and culture lovers. I also find it lucky chance that we're able to gather the stalwarts of the RDC 11 at the Mati Aero Tourism Park.
Mitambong sab sa RDC 11 Full Council meeting si Secretary Leo Magno, ang Presidential Assistant for Eastern Mindanao, ug gipasalig na iyang ipaabot kang President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. ang mga plano alang sa kalambuan sa rehiyon.
It is a task for me to hopefully be able to assist in the facilitation of bringing the priority programs of the region to the Office of the President through the Office also of the Special Assistant to the President.
Tumong sa panagtigom nga madungog ug maplastar sa council ang mga gisugyot nga plano alang sa Davao Region, hilabi na sa mga dagkung proyekto sama sa Mati Airport, Davao International Airport Development Project ug ang Davao City Waste to Energy Project.
This agenda of our first council meeting shall further substantiate the investment requirements of our development priorities for Davao Region over the next few years. We are deeply thankful that our fellow Davaoenos, Secretary Magno, as well as Assistant Asek Bravo, who are both assigned key roles in the national government, are here with us today to listen and help us chart the best ways forward.
Gipaningkamutan sa RDC 11 nga matuman ang tanang plano sa mga mosunod nga tuig. Naglaumsab ang council nga unta mahatagan og pagtagad sa national government ang ilang gipanghisgutan sa meeting aron mahatagan kini og pondo. Eugene Hinutan, Newsline, Philippines, Province of Davao Oriental. Stay safe.